Okay. Sige, start tayo with 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How about 2?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
How about 3?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24.
1.
Ay, 31, 24, 24, 36.
Oh.
Ay,
3 pa lang tayo.
ay, okay. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 15, 18, 31, 31, 24, 37, 30.
How about 4?
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 24, 38, 32, 36, 40.
How about 5?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
6.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, wait, 42, 6, 12, 18, 42, 48, 56,
4.
ay, 54, 60.
60. Okay, isa pa daw. Okay, you are not confident ate. Isa pa.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42,
Copy ka,
44,
sir?
Yes po, ma'am. Coffee naman. 48.
48, 56,
4.
ay, 54, 60.
Isa pa.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 50, 56,
4. Isa pa.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 54, 60,
48.
48, 54, 60.
Isa pa.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60.
Okay, how about 7?
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70,
8.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 46, 63,
48.
ay, 48, 48, 48, 48, 56, 60, 62,
64.
ay, 64, 72, 8,
Isa pa.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 46,
48.
ay, 48, 54,
56.
56, 63,
4.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 40, ay, 48, 54,
6.
56, 64, 72, 8,
Isa pa.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 8,
9.
9, 18, 27, 36, 42,
5.
45, 54, 62, 72, 81, 90,
10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Okay, very good. Sige ate. So for today is, i-review muna natin ate ha, yung mga previous mong na mga natutunan ate. Okay.
Now, you want my lock?
Wala.
Nag-drink ka na water? Oh, drink water.
Yung water ate. Okay, start.
2 plus 1 is
Ha?
5.
What's the first step? Yan, tingnan ang denominator. Are they the same? Hindi. Oh, so since hindi,
I'm gonna do the like that.
oo. First is,
3 times 4.
3 times 4, how much?
3
Oh, 3 times 4. Sa isa mas malaki. Si 4.
4, 4, 12.
Ha? Anong 4, 12?
Ay, okay. 4, 4, 6,
Anong 4, 6?
Ay.
Skip counting by 4.
4, 8, 12.
4, 8, 12. Sige, lagay.
Here.
Next.
4 times 2.
Hmm.
4, 8.
Okay, sulat.
8
Next.
plus. 3 times 1 is 3.
Okay.
And then 8 times 3.
Anong 8 times 3?
Ay, 8 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11.
Okay. 11 all over 12. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
Yeah.
Sure?
No, no.
Hindi na. Okay, next.
Uh,
Very good. Okay, parehas man ang denominator. Copy it next. Correct. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
no.
No, tama. Next.
Wait lang.
Saan siya nagsulat ng line? Okay, sa taas pa. A little bit sa taas. Yan.
2
Ano man?
minus 1.
2 minus 1.
2 is 1.
1. Can we reduce that one? Hindi.
No.
No, next.
Just minus.
Minus.
8 times 7.
8 times 7.
8, 16. Ay. 8, 16, 34, 32, 40, 40, 48, 56. It's
Tama.
56. 56.
Next.
4,
Ano 4?
7 times
5.
Five.
How much?
7 times 5. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Is 35.
35.
35 plus 8 times 2. 8, 16.
Okay.
And then 56. Then I'll do
I'll go.
the solution.
Dito sa taas. Yan.
35 plus 36.
35 plus 16.
Ay, 16.
How much?
5 plus 6. 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Next.
3 plus 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, then 4 plus 1 is 5.
Okay.
15.
51 and 50, bakit 15?
Ay, 51.
51 and 56 can reduce it, hindi?
No.
No, tama ate. Next.
I also gonna do that like that.
Di ba multiplication yan? When we say multiplication, you go straight ahead lang, di ba?
6 times 8.
How much?
8, 16, 34, 32, 40, 48, plus 48.
Very good. Next.
5 times 4, 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35.
Okay, very good. 35 and 48 can we reduce it, hindi?
No.
35 and 48? Yes, ate, we cannot. Okay, next. O, bakit di-copy mo lang ang 3? You can copy the 3 if it is addition and subtraction. This is multiplication. Sige daw.
So, 6 times 3, 3, 6, 9.
Very good. Sulat 9. Next.
2 times 1, 2, 4, 2.
Very good. 2 and 2, 9. Can we reduce it, hindi?
No.
Tama. Okay, next.
9 times 2.
9 times 2.
9 times 2, 9, 18.
Oh, we're going to put 18. Correct. In the bottom, ha?
Yeah.
Next.
8 times 3, 8, 16, 24. 24.
Is that our final answer?
No, because it's in front.
You put it in here, the solution.
34 inside, 9, 18 outside.
Okay.
I will choose 1 to 9.
0 to 9.
0 to 9.
Take a guess.
I think it's 1.
Huh?
I think it's 1.
Try down. 1 times 18. Di ba anything multiplied to 1, ate, the answer is itself. 1 times 18 is equals to
18.
18. So, tama ate. Because hindi siya naglampas sa 24. Put 1 times 18.
1 times 6,
18.
18.
Put 18. Sige.
34 minus
18. Very good.
4
4 minus 8.
Cannot
Cannot be.
2 will borrow,
4 will borrow 2.
Then 2 will become 1.
Correct.
Then
Next.
4 will become 14.
Okay.
14 minus 8.
14 minus 8.
13 to
Oops. Di ba I told you, baliktarin mo na lang ate. You start with 8.
8.
9.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is
6. Okay, kung magpa-atras ka ate, baka makalimutan mo.
6. And 1 times 1.
Ano 1 times 1?
1 minus 0 is 0.
1 minus 0? 1 minus 1?
1.
1 minus 1 is equals to? Di ba 1 ito? 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So no need to put 0 na. So what's your final answer? Di ba you don't have any bring down na, tama? So you have to make it into a mixed number. Sige daw, gawin mo daw ate.
6 in the half, then big 1. And then 18 in the bottom. Like this.
6 and 18, can we reduce it in there?
Yeah.
By?
2.
By 2? Sige daw. Aside sa 2 ate, think of any other number.
3.
3? Sure. Oh, tama, pwede 3. Oh, aside sa 3, think of another number pa.
Not 4.
Not 4, very good. Kasi hindi matamaan sa 6. Think of any other number.
6.
6? Tama, it's 6 ate. Sige.
Where's that? This one.
This one, oh.
I'll do like this.
Hindi, yan.
Ay.
Dito na. Dito mo na. I-process mo muna yan. You reduce mo na 6 and 18.
6 and 18.
Reduce it. Divide it by 6.
6 is 1.
Okay, very good. Next.
6, 12, 18, 24.
Oops. Up until 18 na, di ba?
6, 12. This. 3.
Correct. Okay, what's your final answer?
This one.
Saan ang malaki na number? Oh, so, write your final answer in here.
1.
1 and 1 third. Okay, next. This one. Pinakalas.
5 times 1.
5 times 1.
is 5.
Next.
5 times 2.
2 times 5.
2 times 5.
How much?
5 times.
Correct. 10 all over 5. Can we reduce it in there?
Huh?
Can we reduce it in there?
Yeah.
By what number?
3, 6, 2, 4, 6.
Hindi matamaan si 5.
5.
5, ate. Oh, reduce it by 5.
Equals 5 is 1. 5 times is 2.
Ha? Bakit baliktad lagi?
Ay.
10 divided by 5. It's 1, sure ka? 10 divided by 5.
10, 12.
Ha, baliktad, ate. 10 divided by 5. You skip out by 5.
5 times.
Oh, bakit 1 lagi?
Ay.
Baliktad.
5 times
2.
2, then
1.
1.
This one, ate ha, if ever gani that you saw a fraction ate na all over 1, the final answer is the numerator ha. So since this is all over 1, your final answer is 2. For example, you have 56 all over 1. What's the final answer? 56. If you have 121 all over 1, the final answer is 121. Ha? Basta meron all over 1. So now ate, let's proceed to our, yung discuss ugod sa'yo, last natin na session. What if there are instances ate na ganito yung mangyari? Okay ha? Sorry. Okay, 3/4 plus 1/2. Sige daw. How to process this one gani? You cannot do this one ha because this one, what kind of fraction is this?
I forgot.
Mixed. Di ba mixed? Ito ate, what kind of fraction?
Ano?
Proper. Mixed ate, ito, proper. Why proper? Because the number on top is lesser than the bottom. This one, this is mixed number. Di ba you cannot process this one ate if this one is mixed tapos this one proper. So what are you going to do with the mixed ate?
I'm gonna do that.
Very good, you're gonna do this one. Multiply, then you add. Sige daw. You make a new ate. Bali, you do this one, oh, you process this one, tapos you write this one another 1/2. This one, i-process mo daw. Turn that one into an improper.
4 times 3.
4 times 3.
4, 8, 12.
Next.
Am I gonna put that 12?
No, do not put na, di ba?
12, then 12. Ay. 3 plus 2.
Oh.
Ay, 12 plus
12 plus 2. 12 plus 2.
13, 14.
So, you write it. Dito.
14.
14 all over?
4.
Huh?
Ay, 14
Oh, 14 all over 4. Very good. Oh, you process it na. That's it na.
Ay, like,
Oh, 14 all over 4 plus 1 half. How much?
15.
Ah, 15? Bakit 15?
Ay.
Are they the same, ate, 4 and 2?
No.
No, so hindi sila the same. What are you going to do?
Ay, okay. We're gonna do like that.
Very good. Since the denominator is not the same.
4 times 2.
4 times 2, how much?
4, 8.
Okay,
Put the 8 here.
next.
2 times 4.
14.
2 times 14.
Oh, how much? Show your solution para mabilis.
14 times
2. Oh, very good. Multiply.
4, 8.
Okay, next.
2
Times.
times 1 is 2.
Correct. Oh, so that's the answer, 20. 28.
Ay, 28.
Oh, where do you put 28?
Here.
Correct. Next.
Ay, 28 plus. Then 4 times 2.
Ah,
Ay, 1
4 times 1.
is 4.
Oh.
28 plus.
Oh, 28 plus 4. Then show the solution na. You add it with your fingers na lang. 28 plus 4.
29, 30, 31, 32.
Oh, 32. 32 and 8. Can we reduce it, ate? Hindi.
No.
Sure?
Yeah,
By what number?
maybe by 6.
Try daw, ate. If matamaan mo si 8. 6.
6. So,
Oh, hindi si 6.
say 2.
Very low ang 2, ate.
3, 6, 9,
Oh, hindi mo matamaan si 8.
4, 8.
Very low din ang 8. Ay, ang 4.
7, 14.
Oh, wala na tamaan si 8.
9.
Oh, bakit nag-9? Hindi matamaan si 8.
I'm gonna do the mixed number.
Skip kang kabay? Oh, hindi ba? Reduce mo muna, ate. 32 all over 8.
32.
Ay, wait lang. 32 all over 8. Di ba you have to do the mixed number? Oh, mixed number, ate. 32 all over 8. Tama, mix pala yan.
8. Ay, 3 times
Ano 3 times? 3?
3.
Divided by.
3 divided by 8.
Pwede hindi.
No.
Cannot be. Next. 2
2
will?
will join the 3.
It will become?
32.
Ask daw. Read daw.
32 divided by 8.
Oh, how much?
8, 16, 24, 32, 40.
Bakit naglampas-lampas ka na lagi?
Ay, 4.
Anong 4?
Ay, 8, 16, 24, 32 is 4.
4. 4 times 8.
4 times 8 is 8, 16, 24. 8, 16, 24, 32.
32.
I
Put 32 at the bottom.
32.
Oh, 32 minus 32.
32 minus 32 is 2 minus 2 is 0.
Next.
3 minus 3 is 0.
So what's the final answer?
Mixed number.
Oh, you cannot do this one, ate. Oh, 32 minus 32, it's 0.
Yeah.
Pag once gani, ate, that the bottom in here is 0, you cannot do mixed number, ha? But your answer is this one.
4.
Oh, so ibig sabihin, 4 lang. If it is 0, okay? For example, if this is 1, you will do this one. 4, 1, all over 8. Kasi 1 man siya, ate. Pero since this is 0, you cannot do this one, ha? Okay? Sige, isa pa. Isa pa na example. Sige daw.
4, ay 7 times 5.
7 times 5.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35. 35. 35 plus 2. 35 plus 2. 36, 37. Alright, another like that. Then 37.
All over?
All over 7.
What's next? What's next? 37 all over 7 minus 2 fifths. Sige daw.
37 minus 2.
Oh, you cannot do that one. Anong first mo na tingnan?
6.
Denominator. Denominator, ate, ha? At the bottom. 7 and 5. Are they the same? Hindi.
No.
No. So since they are not the same,
Gonna do the
butterfly.
butterfly.
Go.
7 times 5.
How much? 7 times 5.
7, 14, 31, 28, 35.
Tama.
65.
Next.
5 times 37.
5 times 37. Do not look at me. Solve it na agad. Solution. It's a big number. Oops. You cannot do that one. It's big. Oh. Show your solution.
I will do like that. Mixed number.
No, ate. Solution. Multiply yan, not divide.
30.
7 times 5.
5 times 7.
5 times 7.
Let's become by 7. 7, 14, 21, 22, 35. 30.
Baliktad. Di ba 35? The number on the right will be left. Yan.
5 times 3.
5 times 3.
5 times 15. Then 15 plus 3.
Oh.
16, 18. 16, 17,
18.
18. 18. Ay, how?
What are you thinking? 8. Where's the 1?
Here.
Oh, correct. There's no number na. So, it's 185. Put 185. Start. 1, 8,
8,
5.
5.
Minus
Minus.
7 times.
Ay, 7 times 2. 7, 14.
185 minus 14.
I'll do the
Solution. Ano mabilis?
185.
5.
Minus
14.
14.
Okay.
5 minus 14.
Hindi.
Ay,
5 minus 4.
5 minus 4 is 1.
Oh, how much? 5 close 4. How much? 1. Very good. Where do you put 1?
Under
Correct.
14.
Next.
Next is 8 minus 1 is 7.
7. Correct.
Then bring down the
1. Okay. So, 171 equals 171.
171.
Okay. Equals 171.
171.
1. Okay. 171 all over 35. Is that our final answer? Hindi.
No, because it's in bracket.
Very good. So what are you going to do?
Do the
Mixed number. Correct.
1, 7, 1 in the inside. And then 35 in outside.
Okay.
I will pick 0 to 9.
0 to 9. How to read it first? Sige daw. Di ba ate, this is a two-digit number, 3 and 5. So you do not ask 1 divided by 35 ha. But instead you will say 17 divided by 35. 17 divided by 35, pwede hindi?
No,
No, why?
because it's lower than 35.
Correct. So what will happen to 1 now?
It will
Join to 17.
then
So it will become,
171.
read it daw, 100,
171 divided by
35. Now use trial and error because it's big.
Take the
0 to 9.
0 to 9.
Sige.
Negative.
Try. Sino ang itest po si 35?
35.
Dito ka. Malayo ka ate. Huwag dyan ka, huwag ka mag-solve. Kaya marangan mo ang answer mo. Dito ka. That one.
35 times
2. How much?
5 times 2 is 5 then. 2 times 3 is 3, 6 is 6. Then 6 plus 1 is 7.
7. Is it enough ate? 271 hindi? No. Ibig sabihin what you're going to do, you have to increase. So instead of 0 to 9, di ba you chose 2. It will not 2 anymore but instead 3 to 9. Do not include 0, 1, and 2 because if you include 0, 1, and 2, you will get a lesser number. Okay, it's not sufficient to 171. So you can choose 3 to 9. Take a guess na naman.
Maybe 3 to 9 times.
5? Try. Test 5.
35
5 times
times
5. Go.
5 times 5 is 5, then 15, 20,
25.
5.
Next.
5 times 3.
Mm.
5 times 15
Mm.
is 15.
Oh, may kalimutan ka.
15 plus 2 is 16, 17.
17.
17.
What happened? 175, 171. Is 5 our answer? Hindi.
Yeah.
Huh? It's greater than 171.
Right.
Is 5 our answer? Hindi. No. So what will happen? You have only the choices na? What choices left? Di ba you finish with 0 to 2? Tapos you chose 5. 5 is greater than 171 man. Di ba 175 ang nakuha mo na result? So you can choose between what number na lang?
5.
Oops. 3 and 4. Di ba yan na lang ang wala mo na test ate? So choose ka sa dalawa, 3 or 4. Try. 35 times 4. Ay, 3 pala. 3 ate. Tama, 3 man yung choose mo.
5 times 3.
How much?
15.
Correct.
3 times 2 is 3, 6, 9.
Mm.
And 9 plus 1 is 7.
Correct. 105. Is it near to 171? Hindi. No. So, what's the only left na number na pwede mo i-test?
3.
You test 3 man. You test 4. Okay. Test 4 ate.
35
times 4.
4 times 4. 5 times 4 is 5, 10, 15, 20 is 20.
Correct.
4 times 3 is 4, 8, 1.
Mm.
12 plus 2 is 13, 14 is 14.
14. Very good. Sino yung pipiliin mo na answer ate? Not greater sa 171 but closer to 171. What is that number?
Is
4
4.
ate. Why? It's lesser than 171 and it's the closest to 171. 105 is lesser than 171 pero it's not closer to 171. So your answer is 4. Where do you put 4? On top. Put 4 on top. 4 times 35.
I do the solution.
This one now.
It's 140.
140.
I got 140.
That's the advantage ate of trial and error because the answer is already
There.
there na. So you copy it na lang. Minus.
171.
Minus 140. Sige daw.
1 times.
Ano 1 times?
1 minus 0.
Okay, how much?
Is 1.
1. Correct ate. Next.
7 minus 4. 6.
Balik ka, di ba?
Ay.
5.
5, then
5, 6.
7,
Oh, that's it na.
3.
3. Yes, you will do 6, 5, 4, 3. O, di ba? You have 4 fingers, but if you do 5, 6, 7, 3 fingers lang. Mas madali ate. It's
1 times.
Ano
1
man times?
minus 1.
0. So, do not write 0 na.
31.
You have any bring down number pa? Wala na. Wala na.
I'm gonna do the
Mixed number. Mixed number ate.
Big 4.
Big 4. Then,
31 in the half.
okay.
Then 35 in the
At the bottom. Okay? 4, 31, 30. We cannot reduce this one ha. So, this is our final answer. Na-understand mo ate? Okay. Ito ha. Okay. Isa pa. G pa tayo. Ate, you are very good ha. Advance ka na masyado. So, bali, practice lang ate. You memorize the process. You don't have any problem na ha. So, if matapos mo ito ate, meron pa tayong last part sa fraction na ituturo ng teacher. After that one, wala na. Okay? You are finished na. So, ang gagawin natin, on our next na mga session, if you finish all of the fraction, all of the lessons that we are going to discuss, it's all about English na naman ha. Okay? Sige. You have your book na? From school? Wala pa?
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Okay. Sige, try natin ito ate. Sige daw.
5 times 3.
5 times 3.
5 times 15.
Correct.
15 plus 2.
How much?
16, 7.
Correct.
I'll write that again.
You write it again.
20. 7. What is that? What was that?
Kalimutan mo ha.
5 times 3.
Oh.
5 times 15. 15 plus 2 is
17.
16, 17. Then times
All over
5.
5. Correct. What's next?
5 times 7.
Correct.
5 times
Oops.
15.
5 times 7.
7, 14, 31, 38, 35.
Kung sino yung malaki ate, yun siya yung i-skip count ha. Okay, para mabilis.
35.
Oh, equals. Equals 35.
35.
Next.
And then 7 times
Uy.
17.
Multiplication tayo, not addition oh. Hindi tayo para sa ganito. Multiplication ate, di ba? You go straight ahead lang.
17 times 2.
Oh, show your solution because it's a big number.
I'll do the mixed number.
No, ate.
Ay, that lang.
Oh, like that lang. Sige, 17
17
times 2.
7 times 2
How
is
much?
7, 6, 5. It's 5.
7 times 2, 5. Times yan ate.
7, 14.
14.
Uh,
Carry 1.
2 times 1
Oh,
is
much?
2, then 2 plus 1 is 3.
Correct.
It's 34.
Oh, 34. Put 34. Where?
Here.
That one. 34 over 35. Is that our final answer?
30.
Why? It's proper. Tapos you cannot reduce it ate ha. Okay, very good. Next, division tayo ate. Okay, you're almost finished na ate with lesson. Only last na lang ate yung malaki. After that one, we are finished with math na kayo. You are very advanced na masyado. Okay, 4. Tapos 2 fifth divided by 4 fifth. Okay, sige daw.
5 times 4. 5 times 15, 20.
Correct.
20 plus 22 is 30.
20 plus 2.
Is 22.
Put 22 over
22
over
5.
5. Correct. Next.
Divided by 4 over 5.
Okay.
5 divided by 2. 5.
Ate, di ba you have to check ate, the denominator? Are they the same? Hindi.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you cannot do that. You cannot copy the 5 ha. It's division. So 5 times.
5 times 4.
5 times 4. How much?
5 times 4, 5, 10, 15.
Where do you put 20? In the bottom. Very good.
22 times 5.
22 times 5.
I'll do the solution.
You do the solution because it's big man. Huwag dyan. Dito ate oh. Yan. Dapat malayo.
2,
Times 5.
I'm gonna write the times or this one. I'm gonna write the times or this one.
Times ate.
Times.
Di ba even though this is division, you think of it as times. Tama. 5. Go.
2 times 5.
Ah.
5, 10.
10. Next.
5 times 2 is 5, 10. Then 10 plus 1 is 11.
11. Very good. 100.
11.
10.
110.
110 and 20. Is that our final answer? Hindi.
No, because it's in
What are you going to do?
We're gonna do the mixed number.
Okay, you're gonna do the mixed number.
110 inside, then 20 outside.
Okay.
I'm gonna choose 0 to 9.
Wala pa ganyan. Try to ask, di ba?
20,
Baliktad.
11 divided by 2, 20 cannot
Cannot be. So what will happen to 0?
0 will join to 11.
What it will become?
110.
110 divided by 20. You do trial and error.
I'll choose 0 to 9.
Oh, go.
Okay,
5. Try 5. Huwag dyan. Kay answer mo man yan. Dito ka. Solve.
20 times 5.
5. Very good.
5 times 0
5 times 0.
is 5. Cannot be.
Hindi ate. Di ba? Anything ate or any number multiplied to 0 will become?
5.
Any number multiplied to 0 will become? 0. 5 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 0 equals 0. 500 times 0 it will become?
0.
0. 3,200 times 0.
Oh my goodness, 0.
0. Next, 51 times 0.
Is 0.
Any number multiplied to 0 will become 0. Di ba 0 means nothing? Oh, if you multiply to nothing, it will be nothing. Gets ate?
Okay.
Oh, 5 times 0.
5 times 0 is 0.
No, put 0.
0.
Next.
Bring down 2.
Anong bring down to?
5 times 2.
5 times 2.
5 times
Hmm.
is
10. Oh, 100. Is 5 our answer ate? Hindi.
no,
Why?
because it's lower.
It's lower than 110. So you need to check ate. What number?
Maybe 4.
Huh? If you choose 4 ate, it will be lesser than 100.
Maybe 6.
Try 6. Oh, 20 times 6.
20
Times 6.
equals
6.
0.
0, very good.
Then 6
Times?
times 2 is 6, 12.
12. Sino yung answer natin? Si 5 or si 6?
6.
Sure?
It's
Oh,
greater
120 is greater than 110. You cannot choose 6.
Yeah.
It's
5.
5. Why man ate?
Because
It's lower than 110 and it is the nearest.
nearest.
Siya ang pinaka-near ha sa 110. So choose 5.
5
Where do you put 5?
on top.
On top. Okay?
And then the
5 times 20. 5 times 20.
5 times 20 is
Oh, ay, ito lang. Oh.
100.
100. Okay? Sige, 110 minus 100.
0.
0 minus 0.
0. And
Oh, put 0. Next. 1 minus 0.
1 minus 0 is 1.
1.
1
Oh, 1 minus 1.
is 0.
Oh, do not put na. If the 0 gani ate are on this side, do not put it na. Pero if the 0 are on this side, you have to put it pa. You have any number pa ate in here? Wala na.
Wala na.
Oh, you have to make it into a mixed number.
Big 5.
Big 5. Then,
And then 10 in the up.
10.
And then 20 in the bottom.
10 and 20 ate. Can you reduce it? Hindi.
Yeah.
By what number?
5.
Aside sa 5.
2.
2 is lower gani ate. 5 is lower also. Think of any other number pa.
10.
10. Oh, 10 divided by 10.
10 is 1.
1. Next.
10, 20 is 2.
2. Okay? So the final answer is?
1 all over 2.
Where, saan napunta si 5?
Here.
Oh, put 5. 5 and 1/2. Okay? So that's the final answer. Okay, so okay ka na ate if meron ganito. Okay. Ang ituro naman sa'yo ni teacher ate is ganito ha, oh. What if meron ganito ate? 3, 2/3 plus 4, 5, 6. Can you do it?
No.
Oh, if this one ate, what kind of fraction is this?
Is the Mixed number.
Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction.
What kind of fraction is this?
It's a mixed fraction.
Oh, both of them are mixed fraction. So the first step that you are going to do is you add the big number first if it is addition. If it is addition, you add the first big number, okay?
Okay.
Sige ate, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4.
3 plus 4
Hmm.
is 4, 5, 6, 7.
Sino mas malaki sa kanila, si 4 or si 3?
Si 4.
Si 4. So you will do 5, 6, 7. Ha? Okay. So 7. So di ba you are finished na with big number? Next ate, you will do this one. So you will write 2 all over 3 plus 5 all over 6. Compute daw.
3 times 6.
How much?
6, 12. 6, 12, 8.
Put 18. Next.
6 times 2. 6, 12.
Correct. 12. Next.
3 times 5. 5 and 15.
Put 15. Next.
12 plus 15 is...
Do the solution.
2 plus 5 is 7.
Okay, 7. Go.
Then 1 plus 1 is 2. So
27. Put 27.
27.
27 over 18. Is that our final answer? Hindi.
Because it's proper.
It's improper. What are you going to do? Make it into a mix.
Number.
Dito at the top. Dito.
27 inside.
Side. Tapos
18
18.
outside.
How to read it?
37 divided by
18.
18.
So you have to do trial and error.
Maybe 5.
This one ate, observe, 27 and 18. Di ba they are almost close?
Yeah.
Oh, you choose 5. So, pag once ganyan ate, the number are close to each other, do not choose a big number ha. You will choose from 0 to 3. Or pwedeng 1, 2, 3. Ha, dyan muna mauna. So, ano yung i-test mo dito sa 18?
Maybe 3.
Try daw. This one, dito na lang. Dito ate. Sige, test. 18 times 3
18
times 3.
3
Times
times
8.
8
How much?
is 8, 16, 24,
Correct.
20.
Ah?
Ay,
Kalimutan? 4. Get 2 next. 3.
3 times 1.
How much? 3 times 1.
3 times 1 is 3. Then 3 plus 2 is 5.
Very good, 5. 54. Oh, di ba we need ate? 27. Pero this is 54 man.
It's bigger than 27.
Oh, so, you have to retest ate. So, you can only choose from 0 to 2. 1. 1 times 18?
Is 18.
Oh, 18. So, it's the correct answer ate. Because it's lower.
And I put the 18 under 27.
Correct.
27 minus
18.
7 minus 8.
Oh,
It cannot be.
Cannot be.
So 7 will borrow 2. 2
Two.
then 2 will become 1.
1. Very good. It will become 17.
Then this one will become
17. 17 minus 8.
8, 9, 10.
Oops. If you will do ate, do not include 8. You will start with 9.
Ay.
Do not include the 8 itself ha.
9,
Sige.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8,
How much?
9.
9. Very good. Next.
1
One minus-
minus 1 is 0.
0. So, do not put 0 na. You will
Do mix
mix number.
Big one.
Big 1.
9 in the
Okay, 9 and 18. Can we reduce it ate? Hindi.
yeah,
By what number?
3,
That's lower ate.
4, 8. 4, 8,
Oh, hindi mo matamaan si 9. It's not 4.
7, 18. Ay,
7, 14. Hindi mo matamaan si 9.
I click count by 9.
9 ate. Sige, skip lang daw. 9, 18. O, matamaan mo si 9 and si 18. Reduce.
1, then 2.
Oh, 1 and 2. You have big 1 man. Tapos, ate, did you remember you have a big 7?
Yeah.
Oh, so what will happen? 7 plus 1.
Is 8.
Oh, ibig sabihin,
The big number is 8.
the big number is 8. Because you have a big 7 man, di ba kanina? 4 plus 3, that's 7.
Yeah.
Oh. So this is our new lesson, ate ha? So we can finish this one tomorrow on Wednesday. We will have English ha?
Okay.
Okay? So what did you learn what did you learn ate for today, ate?
This one.
This one, ibig sabihin, we are now dealing with mixed numbers, ate ha? So, call your kuya na ate. Try to wake him up, ate. Ipatutbrush mo ate ha or something, ipaprepare siya. Go na.
Okay.